Alrighty guys, in this case, we still want to factor, but this is actually a kind of a strange factorization because there's a little trick you can do to work a little smarter in this case. Now, notice that we have 2x minus 3 to the second power, and we have 4x minus 6 on this side. Well, you could have worked the hard way on this problem, or you could work a smarter way, which let me show you another way you could do this. Notice that this and this, you could technically make them look alike by doing the following. Couldn't I take out a 2 from both of these, which would give me 2x minus 3? Now, what do you notice about these two sides of the equations? I don't know if you've noticed this, guys, but the parentheses are actually the same. So a little trick we like to do is replacing the parentheses with another letter. So if I were to call P 2x minus 3, so for every 2x minus 3, I'm going to put the letter P. So this is basically what it means. I'm going to change all of this into a P squared. On this side, that's a 2, but I'm going to change all of this into a simple letter P. Now, this makes it a lot easier to solve because remember, I want to put the variables on one side, so I subtract minus 2p. Now, because they don't have the same exponents, I cannot combine them. Therefore, I just write them next to each other. That's a p squared minus 2p equals 0. Now, look at these two letters, guys. What can I take out from both? You guessed it, I can take out a p. So when I take out a p, we have the following. We have a p minus 2 equals 0. Okay, at this point, we have two possible answers, guys. My p is equal to 0, or p minus 2 is equal to 0. Well, this one's already solved for you. And this one, when I add a 2, I know that p is equal to positive 2. Now, is that my answer you're going to see on the homework? No. You know why? Because you created the letter P by yourself. But now you know what P represents. So we can go back to that. Now that we did the easy factoring, we simply plug these in into the letter P right here. And also right there. So let's do it. So we have P equals 0, which is basically 2x minus 3 equals 0. And the other one, P equals 2, which is basically 2x minus 3 equals 2. Now let's leave the x alone. That's a plus 3, that's a plus 3. That's a 2x equals positive 3. Divide by 2. So my actual answer is x equals 3 halves. But that's 1. Gotta check the rest. Plus 3, plus 3. That's a 2x equals 5. And when you divide by 2, my second answer, it's x equals 5 over 2. There it is. Using a little substitution will go a long way. And that's the way you solve these interesting quadratics.